What's going on, guys? Happy Wednesday. It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should listen to today. Venezuelan-backed petro token has been announced to have raised over $735 million in one day for their upcoming release of their petro token. Again, this is supposed to be a oil-backed token that's tied into the government's control over the oil supply in Venezuela and their oil business. We'll see how that rolls out, but certainly it's not a small feat to say that you raised $735 million in one day. Now, this was confirmed by Venezuelan President Maduro, but of course we can't confirm 100% if they actually raised that much, but apparently that's what's being put out there. So we'll see about their petro token and where it goes once it's actually released out to the regular market and it's past this period of the money raising portion. So we'll see where it goes, but something to pay attention to just because it's news in the cryptocurrency world, and certainly it shows an example of the power of cryptocurrency and how countries are actually starting to adapt cryptocurrency into their actual resources and commerce, which affects, their total economy. So we'll see how that works. Also, over the last few days, a lot of people have been talking about Ripple, and Ripple's been adding a lot more businesses on a regular basis, some of the largest banks and countries to their Ripple net. But let's be clear, being added to Ripple net does not equate to using XRP, the token. However, I will clarify that having the relationship does open the door to future use of XRP, the token. At this moment, as we speak, I believe there are about 10 companies that are actively using XRP or XRapid, which uses the XRP token for payment services. But there are two big ones that have recently been announced that actually are testing XRapid, and that's MoneyGram and Western Union. And a lot of people say, well, they're not using it. Well, of course, everyone that uses XRP or XRapid has to test it first. So it's going through a testing phase. But the fact that they have announced that they actually are testing XRapid, even if they may not use it for some time, is positive news for Ripple. Now, does that mean that the price automatically skyrockets? No, we do have a lot of skeptics when it comes to Ripple, but I just want to be clear that RippleNet has over 100 to probably 200 plus banks signed up using it. However, there are a lot smaller number actually using XRapid, which is XRP, which ties into XRP. Another announcement is we talked about Litecoin Cash a few days ago being at a $2 value. Well, now it's up to $6. I know the high a few days ago was $5, but it's over $6 now. So it looks like that's going in a steady positive direction. It's still on YoBit. We'll see if it's added to other exchanges very soon. But in terms of the pricing, it's looking like it's going in the right direction for all investors and people who own any of those Litecoin Cash tokens. So positive news. We'll continue to follow that to see where it goes. And also for the overall market, today, really over the last 24 hours, we saw not a significant, but a slowdown of the bull run. So it was about a 7 to 8 day bull run in the market, and now it looks like it's drawing back slightly, but it isn't major. There aren't major drawbacks. So we'll see if this is just a slowdown for a continued run over the next week, or if this is something that implies that we're going to have more of a bearish run over the next week. Make sure that you pay attention to this channel. Make sure that you subscribe and you support the channel, because the more you support it, the more people can get this type of information on almost a daily basis. And also remember, we do have a big announcement coming up before the end of the month, in which we're going to talk about a contest and also putting something out there that I think all of you will be interested in participating in, to show just how well you know the cryptocurrency market and how good are you at predicting where prices will go. So I won't talk too much about it. I don't want to reveal too much, but know that big news is coming. I look forward to talking to you soon. You guys have a good